The Poppe Law firm has been my support through this whole terrible incident.
I really shouldn't be sitting in this room right now. I was abandoned at birth in Bensheim, Germany. I stayed in that hospital for 3 months until I was fostered by an American family. I wasn't a citizen of any country. It became a very contested custody dispute with my birth mother, and she didn't want the Americans to adopt me. Family court judge appointed a court psychologist to interview everybody involved. And eventually they came to the decision that it would cause me irreparable harm if they moved me back to my birth mother. I find it not the least bit ironic that I ended up becoming a lawyer. That whole journey began before I even knew about it in a small, tiny little town in Germany.
In 2017, I was meeting my sister at a local establishment and was kidnapped and sexually assaulted, and only survived because I ran away and fought back. I can't speak for every victim of these kind of crimes, but for myself, you lose a lot of sense of who you are and trust in anybody. I started barricading myself in the house and being afraid to go outside. Those kind of things happen to you. The establishment did not protect me, and they were responsible for my safety. I met the Poppe Law firm within a month of the incident happening. I was still trying to figure out medical, mental, everything. There's not a lot of before and after. They've been with me from the beginning. I could imagine not having them there as that kind of support. They believed in me when I didn't believe in myself. And that's invaluable.
I saw how the law could be used to help everyday people. I didn't want to defend insurance companies. I didn't want to do mergers and acquisitions. I wanted to help people who wouldn't have a voice without lawyers that do the kind of work that we do.
It feels good to have validation and that people who are responsible are being held responsible. If somebody else was in my position, first thing I would do is hug them, and then I would personally introduce them to the Poppe Law firm.
You spend years and years of piecing the story together to finally get in front of a judge, and I could tell that Hans was ready. He would just work nonstop. Just to see him so passionate about his job, it just kind of reassures you. I felt like we're gonna do this, we're gonna win. I don't think I'd recommend anyone but the Poppe Law firm. They're great human beings, not just attorneys, but great human beings. All of them show so much compassion. I can't see myself with any other attorney.
The beautiful thing about the work that our firm does, that we take on difficult cases for deserving people. If we do our job, we can alter the course of their future. My firm's promise to our clients is, we will protect you, we will represent you, and we will be with you through the life of your case, however long that is.